He resigned as the Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra on the 25th of September. Today, the NCP leader Ajit Pawar is likely to be re-inducted into the Maharashtra cabinet. This coming a few days after he got a clean chit in the alleged irrigation scam in the state. Now, sources are telling Times Now that the MNS, the Shiv Sena and the BJP are likely to boycott the swearing-in ceremony.
Barely days after being given a clean chit in the Maharashtra irrigation scam, decks have been cleared for former Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar's comeback.
After the NCP-ruled irrigation department gave a clean chit to Ajit Pawar, the talks were on in the political circles that Ajit Pawar would use this white paper to stage a comeback in the Maharashtra cabinet. Now Ajit Pawar, all set to return, would be sworn in on Friday morning. And sources say that he is likely to get all the portfolios which he held.
Hours before his much-anticipated re-induction into the Maharashtra cabinet, Ajit Pawar reluctant to reveal much.
मी त्याच्याबद्दलचा आत्ताच्या क्षणापर्यंत तरी काही अजून निर्णय घेतला नाही. माझे सगळे सहकारी आमचे आमदार आहेत किंवा बाकीचे सगळे सहकारी आहेत, त्यांचा आग्रह आहे. मंत्रिमंडळातले पण काही सहकाऱ्यांचा त्याच्या संदर्भातला आग्रह आहे. पण मी अजून माझ्या वरिष्ठांशी त्याच्या संदर्भामध्ये बोललो नाही. मी लवकरच त्याच्याबद्दल वरिष्ठांशी त्या ठिकाणी बोलीन आणि त्याच्यानंतर काय ते ठरेल.
First the clean chit and now the re-induction, triggering the demand for a judicial probe to get to the bottom of the irrigation scam.
Judicial probe करना चाहिए था, SIT करनी चाहिए थी, कोई कमेटी बिठा के जो व्हाइट पेपर में दिया है वो सही है या गलत ये देखे बिना उनको क्लीन चिट दे रहे हैं. तो ये मजाक बनाकर रखा है लोगों का और लोगों की सोच का, लोगों की मेहनत का. जो हमने इतनी सारी मेहनत की है इरिगेशन स्कैम को बाहर लाने में, हम सबकी एक बहुत ही बड़ी डिफीट है.
But opposition to the NCP strongman's comeback is not just limited to whistleblowers. Sources say opposition parties in Maharashtra likely to boycott his swearing-in ceremony today. With several questions over the white paper still unanswered, Ajit Pawar's reinstatement is only set to further muddy the waters in Maharashtra's political circles. Bureau Report, Times Now.